Now you will see the exercise 13.5, question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. Capacity means volume. Capacity of tank. Capacity of tank is how much given? 50,000. 50,000 liter. Find the breadth of the tank. Find the breadth of the tank if the length and depth is respectively. Length is given 2.5 meter and the depth means height. Height is given 10 meter. So breadth is equal to volume upon length into height. 2.5 into 10. That you will get the 50,000 liter. 1 minute. That 50,000 liter will not write here. 50,000 liter. Liter you call volume. Volume you will write 50,000 you will calculate because 1,000 liter makes 1 meter cube. So 50,000 liter makes 50,000 divided by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So how many? 50 meter cube. So here you will write 50 divided by 2.5 multiplied by 10. So that is 50 by 25. 1 0 cancel. 25 to the 52 meter. Question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000. Population 4,000 persons are there. The village has population 4,000. So your question is, what will you find? Require 150 liter water per head. What is the requirement? Required one person. How much liter? 150 liter per day. 150 liter per day. If it has a tank measuring 20, tank measuring what is? Tank is given, what a measurement is given there. 20 meter, 15 meter tank. 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter cube. It is the volume. Volume of tank is given. So what is the volume? You want to find out for how many days will the water will be lost. It is full of water, then how many days it will be lost. So water required for 1 day. Water required for 1 day is equal to 150 multiplied by number of persons. 150, 1 person 1 day. So 1 person 1 day for 50 liters and 4,000 person will use this. It is the liter. So number of days is equal to volume of tank upon volume of water required 1 day. That is, what is the meter cube? 20 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 6 multiply by 1,000. Why? Because meter cube you convert into liter upon 150 into 4,000. It is because 1 meter cube is 1,000 liter. That's why volume will be multiplied by 1,000. So by this you cancel all the 3 zeros. 4 5 the 20, 15 10 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 3 ja. How many days? 3 days water will be finished. When the tank will be full, then the water will be finished in the 3 days. First you write the volume. Volume convert into liter, and this liter divide by liter, not by the meter cube. Okay, very important things. Question number 7. Question number 7 we'll see in this. A godown, here it is given. A godown measures 40, 25 and 15. Godown is given. Measure how much? 40 meter, 25 meter and 15 meter. Find the number of maximum wooden crates, each measuring. What is the crates given? Crates measurement is 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5 meter. You want to find out number of crates can be stored in the godown. Number of crates. So only whole numbers will take. So number of crates can be stored is equal to volume of godown upon volume of one crate. That is 40 multiplied by 25, 15 divide by 1.5, 1.25, 0.5. So all the decimals will remove, then we'll get 400, 1 0 here, 2 0 here and 1 0 here. Then 15 into 125 multiplied by 5. That you use and solve, you will get the number of crates. Question number 8. If it is given decimal, then you round off, means you will not increase. Here like a brick, you will not increase one brick. Crates will be not cut and kept. So decimal part you remove. It is what is 0.5, 0.7. Any change in number of crates will be less than the decimal. Okay, whole number. If decimal is there, then you will not touch it. But in the brick case, you making the wall, then you cut the brick and put. So decimal will be round off one more brick. But crates will be not round off. Question number 8. A solid cube of side 12. Cube. A is given 12. Cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. 8 cubes of equal volumes means small cubes x. So 8 cubes volume is equal to the volume of this. What will be the side of new cube? So 8 into x cube is equal to a cube. It is given. So x cube. Volume of 1 is x cube. So x cube is equal to a cube by 8. That is 12 into 12 into 12 by 8. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 2 6 is 12. And then you will get 6 into 6 into 6. What will you get? 3 into 6 into 12. So by this you are getting the cube root of this. X is equal to cube root of this. Two 1 6, that is 6. So how many small cubes are you are getting? So their side is 6 centimeter. It is the side of a small cube. Your question is also find the ratio between their surface areas. So it is a small surface area of big upon surface area of small. That is 4a square upon 4x square. 4 and 4 cancel, 6a square. 6a square upon 6x square. 6 and 6 cancel. So what is that? 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6. 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is 12, that is 4 upon 1, that 4:1. Small ratio big, 1:4, big ratio small. 4:1. Last question, question number 9 we'll see. Last question. Last question is question number 9. What is given? In the question number 9, a river is 3 meter deep. Very important question. A river is 3 meter deep. Deep is given 3 meter. What is the deep? 3 meter. Flowing with a speed of 2 km per hour. Speed is given 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in 1 minute? You want water in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Water in 1 minute you want. Very important question. What is there? Speed of water in the canal. Water in the river. River is a cuboid. Let for 1 hour you make a figure. For 1 hour you make a figure. I am making a cuboid for 1 hour. It is, you are seeing a river. It is a river. River is in 1 hour you are seeing water is here. After 1 hour, water will reach here. It means its length will be 2 km. Length is 2 km. Breadth is given, height is given 3 meter. And width is 40 meter. It is given, width is also given. Width is given 40 meter. And depth is given 3 meter. It is for 1 hour. For 1 hour, length is equal to 2000 meter. Breadth is equal to 40 meter. Depth is equal to 3 meter. So volume of water in 1 hour is equal to LBH. Volume of this cuboid. 1 घंटे. 1 hour from here to here, it means it is full of water. And then volume of water LBH 2000 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 3. 4 2 is 8, 3 is 24,000, 10,000. 3 and 1 4. Meter cube water is falling in the sea by 1 hour. In 1 hour. Therefore, in 1 minute, 24,040, one more 0 is upon 60 meter cube in 1 minute. 6 4 is 24, 4,000 meter cube water. 4,000 meter cube, you can write 1 meter cube 1,000 or 1 kiloliter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kl. So you can write R, it is equal to 4 kiloliter. In 1 minute, per minute water is dropping, falling in the sea. R 4,000 meter water. 1 meter cube is 1,000. 4K. No, 4,000 liter. It is not 4. 4,000. 4,000 meter cube. 1 meter cube is 1 and KL it is 4,000 KL. How much? 4,000 kiloliter water is falling in the meter cube or 4,000 kiloliter water falling in the sea. That's all. You have finished your this exercise volume of cuboid and cube. Now next topic will start the volume of the cylinder. What will start? Volume of cylinder. That's all for today. Thanks.